Hello friends, now in this video I will show you the plugin that is used to build the page. There are different page builder plugins, uh, but you can use like Elementor plugin, like it's a page builder, Elementor page builder plugin, the most advanced front-end drag and drop page builder. Create high-end pixel perfect websites at record speeds, any theme, any page, any design. And it's very awesome, like has 2 million active installations, 2+ million active installations, and compatible with the latest version of WordPress. So you can install this plugin. This plugin is a really awesome plugin if you want to build your page of the WordPress website like professionally. You can use this plugin. There are different components and lots of things, icons and more things, like you can use them to build a professional page. So install the plugin, and after installation we will activate this plugin. It's installing. Okay, it has been installed. Now click on activate. So the plugin has been installed. Now we can, like if you want to create your first page, you can click here. If you want to get the full guide, you can get from here. If you go to the pages section, like in the previous videos, if you check my a complete series, I have set like my home page, static page. So you can see home is front page. So here, if we now edit this page, so here you can see now edit with Elementor. So first there was like home title, and this is the home page content, like you can see this one. So what we will do, like this one we will delete, and now update, and now we will edit with Elementor. So if you click on edit with Elementor, so a new like editor will appear here. So now you can see like drag widget here, add new section. Here you can see like elements and basic elements like inner section, heading, image, text editor, video, button, divider and spacer, Google Maps, icon, image box, icon box, star rating, image gallery, lots of things there you can see like testimonial even. So these all components you can use to build your page. And in elements, so drag widget, here you can see, if you click here, so now you can see first you can select your structure, like 1 column or 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns in one row, like how many sections you want. For instance, I want like 3 sections, so click on 3. Now you can see we have 3 sections here. So layout, you can see content width is boxed, so content width is boxed, and other things like columns gap, if you want to increase or reduce this one, you can use this one, like wide, so you can see, or wider, see. So if you want to use this one, we can use. But right now, like the structure, you can see 3 columns, and in style you can see the background, border and other things we can change. So now you can see here elements. So elements, if you want to add, for example, let me show you, like heading. So heading, like you can drag and drop something like this. Add your heading text here, like if you add here, for example, about us, or like HT graphic designing. So you can see like this one size is default, and the HTML tag is H2. You can select like medium or large or XL or XXL, so I will select like large, and this is like in the center. So title, you can see if you want to link with any page, you can also link with. And then if we click here, from here we can go to the elements section, and this one you can see this one is here. Now the text editor like this, so you can drag and drop here. So something like, you know, learn graphic designing with Omar Butt, and learn Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. So this text, you can see now visual, and here you can see text, like, you know, even if you want to use HTML, you can use from here. And if you select this one, like even if you want like other paragraph heading you want, you can apply. Or if you want something like bold text, you can select bold text. Okay, and from here like full screen, and these things like you can change. And if you want the style, you can see like center, and typography, you can see, for example, font size, and all these things you can change from here. And then in advanced, like more things, the background and motion effects, you know, motion effects, like if you want zoom in, so see it will zoom in like this. Animation duration like normal. And now the content is here. So what we can do, like we will go back to the elements section, and we will add one button from here. So button like this, and you can see this button center. We can link with any page, and text like read more or enroll now. And the type is default. You can select warning, so it will be like orange. If you select danger, it will be like red. And the size is small. You can select medium, large, as you want. You can select. I will select like medium. So something like this. If you want to make ID, button ID, we can also make an icon if you want, like this. For example, I want some icon. It depends on your content. So according to your content, you can select. I will select something like something for example, right now anyone like camera. Okay, so you can see something like this. If you edit here, so you can edit the layout if you want. So even this one, click on advanced and motion effects. Like if you want motion for this one also, like bounce in, so see bounces, animation durations normal. So we will go back to the element section. So same thing, like we can add here. If you right click here, so you can see like duplicate, so you can make duplicate. So now you can see we have two, so actually we want three, so this column we can delete, and also we will make one more like duplicate, and this one we will delete. So now you can see we have three sections. So now this content we can change, like this one, video editing. So this we will select, so learn like video editing with Omar Butt, and learn like Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. So you can see something like this. And then if we select this one, we can also change. And this one, for example, web development, you can see it, this one also has been updated. So learn like web development with Umerbet, and learn WordPress, Joomla and Adobe Dreamweaver. So this will also update like within 1 second. So this now you can see has been updated. So we will go back to this section and now drag widget here. So first we click here and then like 2 columns we want in one row. So you can see 2 columns we have. Before this, like if you want some spacer, so drag widget here like 1, and in the elements section like spacer if you want to add, so you can add spacer, and spacer like 50 pixels. If you want more, you can like increase the space between the rows like 75 for example. Go back to the elements section, and here now we will make something like this. Now you can see we have 2 columns in this row. So we will go back to this section, and if we want to add now images for example, so here you can see image. So image like this you can add and choose your image. So you can see choose your image from here. Upload files, I will upload a new one. You can select even if you have, and this one the size is extra, so media library I will use right now. This one is yep, not bad. This one we can use insert media, so you can see the images here. And same like if we want to add like video here, so in this section we will like move the video here, and YouTube like link you can add here. So what we will do, like the link I will paste here of my video, like set up a quiz on your WordPress website. You can see, and start time, end time you can select. Autoplay, if you select it will autoplay. Mute, like the audio will mute. So all these settings of the video you can control even. So like this we can do. And after this, like again we will go back to the elements section. So there are different things like you can add, as you have seen here. So the image box also, like first of all I will add like 4 columns here, and Control Z also you can use one thing, like for the undo I will add first like spacer, and the space will be like 75, and then we will add like 4 section, and then we will go back to this, and like image box if you want to add. So click on image box. Now here you can select your image, for example like this one, and insert media. So you can see like it will image size full or custom or thumbnail, like which one you want you can select. So even like thumbnail medium or full, something like this. So it's up to you which one you want to select, you can. So basically like you can apply here something, some icons. If I have like this one, so icon will look, see icon looks good here, custom, or you can apply custom size or full even. So the text you can change here, this is the heading and this is the text you can change. So once you will done, you can make like duplicate, and this section now you can delete. We can move also like this, and see if you click on duplicate, it will be there, and this one we can delete. If you want like 4 section, you can also make 4 section. So this is something like this we can add. So there are different things we can add. So one by one you can check all of them. So I explained about these things. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video about the Elementor section, like how we can design our page using Elementor plugin. So thank you very much for watching this video, and in the future, like I will also explain about other components of the Elementor plugin. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.